Hey guys, happy Monday. Welcome back to the channel. On Friday, I made a couple of call outs in the Discord to folks to give them a couple of ideas of tickers that I was looking at for plays from Friday into this week. One of those already booked a 225% gain in one day. I took the profits on that play. In this video, I'm going to give you some thought process of what I look for in these plays. Let's get right into it. The company that we're looking at here on the chart is Intuitive Machines, ticker symbol LUNR. And I actually made a video about 9 days ago letting you guys know that we have been playing this one on the bullish run up. It's a ticker that we've been following and trading and researching for a very long time. And if you didn't see that video 9 days ago, go back and watch that one. But as the ticker was trading on Friday and topping out at $17.14, it looked to me like it was getting a little bit exhausted. And I took a bearish bet on the play, buying puts with a $15 strike. As you can see on the chart here, over the last several weeks, LUNR has had some massive bullish momentum in anticipation of an upcoming launch. But I want to zoom in with you now to the candles on Friday and show you exactly what I was looking at, which in my opinion was showing us that we were reaching some exhaustion in that bullish momentum. Here on the hourly chart on Friday morning, you can see this massive green candle of bullish momentum that continued into Friday on no news, but it was the next hourly candle that caught my attention, plus the couple after it. Whenever I see these candles at the top of a pattern where you have the momentum continuing but a long tall wick on it, that can signal that there is exhaustion in the play. The bulls were not able to drive the price up, and it comes back down, filling that solid candle only in the lower portion of the hourly. That's not always a sure sign, so you need to look and see what happens on the next candles after it. And again, I was not seeing a lot of bullish momentum able to carry this thing. So I said to myself, this one looks like it is running out of steam and it's likely to go down next week. Normally when I buy options, I like to have 30 to 60 days on them, but for this particular play, I bought $15 puts with a expiration on December 6th. That gave me 1 week to be correct that the momentum would change this week, at least for a couple days. And indeed it did. When we woke up this morning on Monday, we had nothing but red candles. I entered the play on those put options at 30 cents per contract or $30 per contract. And as the play went into red candles all day, the value of those put contracts increased to a maximum of $115 for the day. I had my limit order set at $1 per contract, and so my order got filled automatically when that happened, locking in a 225% gain in one trading day. One key thing we do in our research, if we're going to be trading a stock over a long period of time, maybe in and out of it for years, is make sure we understand the financials of the company and what the fair value of the stock was. And by any measure that we use, this stock is overvalued at $17. It's running up because of that excitement about the upcoming launch. That is background info you can use as you're reading the chart. And besides just looking at that exhaustion on the candles, a couple of other things that I keyed in on was that the RSI here, this blue line towards the bottom, was reaching over 70. And in addition, if you turn on the Bollinger Bands, you can see that it was trading above those Bollinger Bands. And often when I see that, I expect the price to push back down into the range between the bands. For me, it signals that perhaps the stock is getting overvalued. So there were multiple things I was looking at as I typed up the message in the Discord that, hey, I'm probably going to enter this play. I think that LUNR is topping out, and it might be a good put play to grab today on Friday and play it into next week and hope for some downward momentum, which thank goodness we did get today. The other thing that I want to remind you guys on options is take your frickin' profits. If you're up, take profits. Sure, LUNR could trade down this week to $14 or $13.50. I don't know, but the launch hasn't happened yet. The excitement might not be over. This could be a temporary retracement. And I was up 225% in one trading day from Friday to today. And so taking those gains and just doing that over and over is how you grow your account. Remember, pigs get fat, hogs get slaughtered. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what tickers you're looking at this week. What do you like? Thank you for watching all the way through. I am Tony Denaro, and I will see you on the next video.